too long now. I think that I want a second guess you, a second guess me, a second guess them. Don't second guess me. Live in the moment.
Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. It feels so weird saying this after a long time, but I guess we are back. Maybe I will tell you everything, the updates, what has been going on, why was I not posting, where was I. A lot happened in the past 3 months, and I'll share with you. Today is a Saturday, it's 22nd of February, and right now I am going for a shoot. So I am a part of the annual cultural fest ka organizing committee from my college, and we are going for the shoot today for the media and publicity, media and coverage team basically, and we are going to Gurgaon. Right now it's 10 a.m. and I'm going to leave, and I thought why not vlog this weekend because it's going to be a cute little weekend, and I thought why not take you guys along. So yeah, let's go, and I will tell you everything in this vlog. Hello Daksha. Hi. You look so nice too.
Are you vlogging?
Yes.
Did I convince you?
Yes. I will tell them the whole story, but yes, you convinced me to have a comeback.
How long can you?
देखना कितना येलो है
So yellow station की vibe अच्छी नहीं है.
यार. वो येलो मतलब कोई भी पान खरीद देगा. ओ
Spotted. घुस तो गए हैं. रहने दे. पानी की बोतल ले यार प्लीज, प्यास लग रही है.
बैठ जाना, एक आगे बैठ जाना, मैं पीछे कर देता हूँ।
चैनल आजा हो जाएगी ये बहुत. चैनल और मेरा
अरे मैडम सारे नहीं आओगे पीछे।
आ गए भैया, आ गए. आ गए.
हम तो हो गए.
एवंसी.
भाई करेगा तो देखो कितनी जगह पड़ी है, बैठ सकते हो आप।
ठीक है भैया. अनुष्का
अरे आगे ले ले ओ।
Until your breath fall. It's been too long now. I think that I want a second guess you, a second guess me, a second guess them. Don't second guess we. Live in the moment, 'cause we are so free. And in this moment, life is like a dream. Live in the moment.
करो एक्सप्लोर. For this vlog. Chat. मतलब with all due respect. Excel word.
'Cause we are so free. And in this moment, life is like a dream. So come a little closer.
हाँ. एडिट कर देंगे. वाह क्या सुंदर लग रही हो. वाह रिद्धि, इंडियन नारी लग रही है एकदम. हिंदी वुमेन.
Life is our game that we play. I won't get away. We can find a safe place.
गाइस ये कुछ तो 4000 का कैमरा है and I really want it. So if you guys have money, please reach out to this comment section to donate money for this camera so I can have a more happier life.
Within our company. Within our company. Within our company. Closer. think that I want to second guess you. I second guess me. I second guess them. Don't second guess me. So come a little closer.
क्या हुआ?
Let's go shoot day wrapped. Now food time. Food time. हम अपने यूनियन को ही अपनी फोटो खींचने में लगा देते हैं.
इसका BTS जाना भी ज़्यादा के पेज पे. क्या
Definitely, definitely.
की स्टोरी डालना कल जल्दी लगा रहे थे.
Until your breath fall. It's been too long now. I think that I
Coca-Cola, real magic.
them. Don't second guess me. Live in the moment. Cause we are so free.
Like a
And in this moment, life is like a dream. Live in the moment. Cause we are so free. And in this moment, life is like a dream. So come a little closer.
So right now it's almost 8:30 p.m. and after coming back from Museo, I went to Karol Bagh to do some shopping and for my brother basically, not for me. And after that I came home and unwinded and just had my dinner and I'm sitting down to sort of talk to you. So from Museo we got a few things and this is not something to be shown, but their tickets are also so cool and we just got free coupons for the cafe. And apart from that, all of us got these postcards. I got this one. It says brownies for Christmas. These were all Kodak postcards, and we got these free postcards as well, so I picked this one. Okay, so since the last time I've met you, a lot has changed and there were reasons why I did not post on YouTube for the past 3 months. So the last video was titled I Am Back, which is a full lol circle moment for me, but I was not technically back. After that I went to Landor and I did vlog in Landor, and I left my last vlog at the note that I'll reveal a location that I'm going to for a vacation. But after Landor, I never ended up editing all my footage and actually making it into a vlog and posting it. And after that, after some time, I also went to Assam to my friend's cousin's wedding. And if you would have seen her in my videos, and I went to Assam for 7 days and it was one of the most beautiful trips of my life, but I did not vlog it because we were living in their house and I didn't want to intrude or anything, and I was also not very keen on vlogging or editing or posting for that matter. And apart from that, after that a lot of things happened. I got elected as the MNC head, and I think this update was given to you in the last video as well. And after that we started the work for Tarang OC, which is Tarang is the annual cultural fest of my college, and we started the work and there was a lot of workload. We are still like 30 days or not even 30 days, 28 days away from the fest, and there's a lot of workload on me, and I've been doing that. I've been juggling with my coursework, I've been juggling with all of the responsibilities and PORs that I've taken up for this year. And apart from that, I was not feeling very well about YouTube too. I don't know how, but I just lost the motivation to actually film and edit and post, because I've been on YouTube since a long time, and although I'm not saying that I haven't gotten results, but the results have been too slow, and what I wanted from YouTube actually I wasn't getting, and I feel that I had been stagnant for a long time. But the thing is that this is the time that I had actually started growing, but I stopped posting, and I was struggling a little bit with all of these things, managing my moods, managing my emotions, and yeah, so a lot of things were going on, and I really wanted to focus. I was really busy with college. I got really busy, and I thought that if I don't know how will I be able to take out time for YouTube, and if I do that, my work there would get compromised. But a few days back, I think a lot of things happened that I think I thought that I'll start vlogging again and post finally. So yesterday, I was talking to one of my friends, and she was like, she really, you know, told me how important YouTube has been for me, and how important YouTube has been, my channel has been, in making an impact for people around me. And a few days ago, I think on Friday or Thursday, I met a girl in college. I was just standing, and she came in. She was like, you are really doing really well on YouTube. And I thought to myself that I'm not even doing anything, and still people are coming to me and talking like this. And I really felt that I had an impact, and I should not back off now, because I've really started growing. I know it will not be exponential till, even if I start again, but I hope that I am able to post. But I'll only post one video per week, which is 4 videos a month, considering I have a lot of work. I am in my 3rd year, last semester, and you guys have been with me throughout this journey from 12th standard. We've been doing this together. It's been around 4 years, which is crazy. And the journey has been really, like this. And so yeah, maybe just growing, getting into my 20s, or managing my mental health, managing certain aspects of my life, managing a lot of things was getting difficult for me, because my frontal lobe is just getting developed. And so yeah, it was a roller coaster for me, and I really wanted to not do YouTube because I was really demotivated. But I think, and I guess here I am, and I hope that it continues. Now, getting back to the video, tomorrow is also a fun day lined up, because tomorrow my brother has his roka, and I thought, why not vlog it as well? Because I said this, because this is going to be a fun little weekend. Today we had so much fun, and you all saw that. The final pictures turned out beautiful. So in MNC, we shoot every team's heads and subheads at specific locations, and for MNC, we had chosen Museo, and I think this is the second last team to be shot. Apart from that, all the other teams have been shot, and I am really nervous, really excited for the final output. But I'm really happy with how all the pictures turned out, and we are all so satisfied. So tomorrow, I think we'll start early, and tomorrow India Pakistan ka match bhi hai, so let's go. Anyways, I'll just show you my outfit abhi ya fir kal, but most probably tomorrow, every functions and stuff will happen. And yeah, this is just a random piece of cloth that I'm throwing, but yeah, I'll vlog it. And right now there's nothing much to do, so I think I'm gonna meet you tomorrow. Hello, good morning. I'm literally here with the nose strip. I woke up around 1 hour ago, and I just got up and I put my nose strip, shaved my face and put my nose strip, and after that I'm going to put a face mask and take a bath, and then a sheet mask. But I'm also going to have my breakfast right now. It's almost 11, it's almost 12, and we have to reach there at 12:30. Last night I just put a clip here. We decorated the whole drawing room, and my phone was somewhere, so even I don't know where was it, so I did not vlog that. But I'm gonna quickly show you my outfit that I'm planning to wear.
But don't hold your breath.
I just got out from the shower. I put a face mask. So the face mask I use is the Foxtail Skin Radiance Mask, and it's really nice, especially for oily skin. And I've completely emptied the whole box. It cleans your pores and reduces blackheads, and for me it instantly brightens my skin and actually manages a lot of oil production, especially around my nose and T-zone area, because I have extremely oily skin. And now I'm going to apply a face sheet mask from Innisfree. I love Innisfree sheet masks. They're so good. So I'm going to apply this for hydration. And after that, I'm going to do my skincare and then get changed and get ready. I hate this ugly pimple. I've been applying pimple patch for straight 5 days. Still, it's not gone. So we have to bear with it.
Silence in the background. Violence in your
Okay. We are here, I'm ready. We're just having some lunch right now, and after that we're just gonna wait for them to arrive. I'll show you how I look. These are the earrings that I'm wearing. They're so pretty and dainty. Did a little makeup and looking like a tota. Good to go. Here is the outfit, and I love the bell sleeves. It's so flowy. Guys, I did not have a time to give you an outro yesterday, but yesterday was so much fun. We danced literally for hours, and I'm not even kidding. My body is aching at every possible point it could, and I am so grateful because since a very long time I was waiting कि हमारे घर में कोई शादी आए, because my family is the loud North Indian family you will find everywhere, and all of us dance. We could even dance on any tune. Construction noise पे भी हम लोग dance कर सकते हैं, and this was such a beautiful weekend, and I hope you like this vlog as well. I'll be more consistent, and yeah, see you for more wedding episodes. But till then, bye. Oh, make sure to subscribe, and bye.
Your eyes now. Remember that time you gave your heart to me. Remember that time when life was like